Hi, and welcome to this review of Scrip AI. Ever wished writing content could be as simple as having a conversation? That's exactly what Scrip AI offers. A free tool that helps create everything from social posts to video scripts without spending a dime. What makes this tool so special? Well, imagine having a writing assistant that doesn't need you to sign up, doesn't ask for your credit card, and is ready to help 24/7. Pretty cool, right? As someone who's spent countless hours reviewing AI tools, yep, this is an AI review, we can say Scrip AI stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. But what exactly can you do with it? The possibilities are impressive. Need social media posts for Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn? Scrip AI has got you covered. Looking to create engaging scripts for TikTok or YouTube Shorts? It handles that too. Struggling with blog post ideas? You'll get fresh topics and outlines in seconds. Here's something interesting. Have you ever wondered how much time you spend staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out what to write? Scrip AI eliminates that problem. Just tell it what you need, and it generates content that you can then polish to match your style. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always ready with ideas. What about the quality? That's a great question. While the AI generates solid content, it's smart to review and adjust it to match your voice perfectly. Think of it as getting a head start on your writing rather than a final product. The tool is particularly helpful for marketers, content creators, social media managers, and even students who need a starting point for their work. Want to know one of the best features? The rewriting tools. Whether you need to rephrase sentences or expand on your ideas, Scrip AI helps make your content more engaging. It even includes a hashtag generator to boost your social media visibility, something many paid tools charge extra for. The user experience is refreshingly straightforward. No complicated menus or confusing options. Just choose what you want to create, provide some basic information, and watch as the AI generates useful content. It's particularly valuable for small businesses and individuals who want to maintain an active online presence without breaking the bank. From our research, users appreciate how Scrip AI helps them overcome writer's block and speeds up their content creation process. While specific testimonials aren't widely available since it's a newer tool, the growing user base speaks to its effectiveness. Ready to try it yourself? Remember, you can learn more about Scrip AI and find this AI review at jimcarter.me. Whether you're creating content for social media, writing scripts, or just need help getting started with your next piece of content, Scrip AI might be exactly what you're looking for.